verse 8.
My Father is glorified and honored by this, when you bear much fruit and prove yourselves to be my true disciples.
Prove yourself to be what?
True disciples.
So when you bear fruit,
When you bear fruit,
it is proving that you're a disciple of Christ. In other words, bearing fruit is evidence of your faith. Ladies and
is
gentlemen,
evidence that you are connected to the vine.
divine.
The vine will the vine is going to push through those branches the fruit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The branches aren't making the fruit. It's receiving from the vine the capacity for fruit.
Yeah. No.
I have a sister friend. She's a dear sister. And sometimes when life gets tough, she says, "Sis, I don't have the capacity for that." That's her. That's her goal. She said, in other words, you've pushed me to the point where I can't take it no more. Well, we are in the vine. Brother, sister, we have capacity for fruit.
Yeah, we do.
We have God's enablement to produce fruit.
Yeah.
Fruit is what we do. As the song says, praise is what we do. Fruit is what we do. That life of Jesus is coursing through our veins, like water, like water through the Mississippi. Ain't no stopping it. Ain't no stopping it. So the capacity for fruit production is in us because the vine is pushing it.
Yeah. So what we're saying is that when a person has fellowship, communion, loyalty with King Jesus, the result of that is fruit in our lives. And what we're really describing here is the faith life. This is the reason our Savior said, have faith in God. Because when you have faith in God, the result of that is going to be fruit in your life, because faith is communion with God.
Yes.